Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I have here. This is a, I guess, Furniok, and it's a phone, magnetic phone case for your car. For if you have, I think it's for the Cybertruck kind of one there, so it'll fit into the little dashboard area there. You can kind of see it fits right into that little vent thing there. Here's the user manual here. So this is kind of how it all does. It's got the little ball joint there, and then it'll hold the phone right there and goes into the area. So that's what you can do. So when you want to stick it into your Tesla Cybertruck, that's how you'll do it. And then so I'll show you the different pieces and parts. So we have this here is the little round connector part. Oh, I don't have my phone, but it's I guess this is going to have the magnet on it to connect it to. And then we have so I guess if you don't have a phone with a magnet on it, it gives you a ability to put a metal piece on it to attach so that it'll stick. So if your phone doesn't have that already, and then this will be the, so you can put the ball piece in there and screw this on. I'm doing this facing the camera with all these lights. Okay, there we go. This way I'll do it. And you can see you'll just jam this into that venti area, and then you have this sticking out. So you can put it any direction you want, and then you screw in this and tighten it up, and it will stay there. So how cool is that? So this is good. Seems like a really nice construction and solid, and it'll look good, a nice black, good, solid look for the inside of the Cybertruck, which has a lot of the black components as well. So super neat and really good. I like it. Thumbs up.